Understanding everyday phrases. I need to shave. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on navigating everyday English phrases. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might hear often. I need to shave. Whether you're new to English or just brushing up on daily expressions, this video is for you. Let's decode this phrase, explore its use, and understand its context in daily conversation. The phrase, I need to shave, is quite straightforward. It implies that the speaker intends to remove hair from their body, commonly from the face for men, or legs and underarms for women. However, the use of this phrase isn't just about grooming. It's also about the social and cultural context behind personal care. We'll uncover the layers of meaning and why someone might choose to say this. Understanding when to use I need to shave is key. This phrase is typically used in a personal setting, often at home, or maybe in a casual conversation with close friends or family. It's not just a statement. It can also indicate the speaker's plans or a slight delay due to their grooming routine. We'll look at different scenarios where this phrase fits perfectly and how it can be a part of your daily conversation. Shaving habits can vary widely across different cultures and genders. In this section, we'll explore how the phrase, I need to shave, fits into various cultural contexts. Also, we'll discuss how the concept of shaving is perceived in different parts of the world, and how this simple phrase can reflect broader social norms and personal hygiene practices. Let's put the phrase into action. This section provides practical examples and dialogue snippets to show, I need to shave, in use. Practice with us as we role-play conversations in different settings, ensuring you're not just learning the phrase but also getting comfortable using it in your daily life. Thank you for joining us in unraveling the layers behind the phrase, I need to shave. We hope this video has been enlightening and has equipped you with a new, useful expression for your English conversations. Remember, every phrase tells a story beyond just its words. Stay curious, and keep learning with us. Until next time, happy learning!